The objective of this lesson is to have students use their knowledge of the four operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, to determine reasonableness of numbers. In upcoming lessons 25, 27, 28, and 29, the focus will be on having students solve word problems and assessing the reasonableness of their answers. Since checking for reasonableness is a higher level skill, the lesson is dedicated to help students understand when answers are reasonable and serve as an introduction to this concept. Let's say I want to make spaghetti for dinner. I purchase noodles, spaghetti sauce, meatballs, cheese, and French bread. The cashier tells me my total is $69. Is that a reasonable total? Maybe, but is there any missing information that would tell me if this is reasonable or not? What if I told you the noodles cost $2, the spaghetti sauce cost $6, the meatballs were $4, the cheese $3, and the French bread $2? The cashier told me the total was $69. Is that a reasonable total if I am just feeding my family of 5? What would be a reasonable estimate of what my spaghetti dinner should cost? Would the total be reasonable if I had invited 4 other families over to join us and I was feeding them all spaghetti? How much of each item would I need to buy? This is a wonderful activity to get your child thinking mathematically on any trip to the grocery store. You might sit down with a grocery ad, plan your grocery list together, have your child look up the cost of items shown in the ad and estimate what other items on the list might be and estimate your total bill. At the end of the shopping trip, they can see how close their estimate is to the actual cost. If you're planning a party, enlist your child's help. How many pizzas should be ordered if we serve 18 people? How much is all of this going to cost? These are all applications of mathematics that your child will use throughout their lifetime, but in 3rd grade demonstrates the importance of mathematical problem solving and knowing the reasonableness of numbers every day. In this lesson, students assess the reasonableness of numbers. We met this objective by having them determine the reasonableness of a grocery bill.